About 7 years ago in my entrepreneurial journey, I entertained the idea of making content about health and wellness. I poured myself into research, I started writing articles, and I even came up with a framework that I never published. Even though nothing came of it, I still try to keep up to date on the latest information about health and wellness, and one of the principles I felt strongly about back then still holds true today. If you want to give yourself a chance at making healthier choices, eating better, having energy to exercise, boosting your immune system, and feeling mentally and emotionally healthy, start with sleep. Probably a tie or at least a really close second is drinking enough water. Okay, so the reality is almost all of that works in kind of a cycle. When you exercise, you generally feel more energetic and you get better sleep. When you eat the right foods at the right times, you get better sleep. When you maintain your mental and emotional health, you tend to get better sleep. So it's a bit of a chicken and the egg kind of thing. But if someone were to ask me, of all of the things you could do to improve your health, if you could only focus on one, what should it be? I would say sleep. And here's kind of the sneaky reason I like to start with sleep. When you're really purposeful about trying to get better sleep, by necessity, you kind of have to adjust different habits around other things that affect your health. You might be less inclined to eat that late night snack because you know if you do, you're not going to sleep as well. You might be more inclined to get out for a run because you know that exercise helps you sleep better. You might start a habit of journaling at the end of the day to get all your thoughts out, which is great for your mental health, but also clears your mind so you can sleep. Now, this is obviously my opinion, but I think sleep is the domino that makes all of the other dominoes fall into place. When I notice my habits slipping, I check on how I'm sleeping. Maybe you've been beating yourself up for not sticking to your food plan, or maybe you've been feeling frustrated that you haven't had the energy to work out. It could just be that you haven't been getting enough sleep and you need more naps in your life. We all need more naps. Again, this is my opinion, and I only have anecdotal evidence that this theory holds up. But if you find yourself in a rut when it comes to your health and wellness, it might be worth testing the theory out for yourself. What do you think? Do you think it all starts with sleep, or do you think that there's something else that serves as the first domino? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Down in the description, I'll share some links to some of my favorite videos about sleep that you can check out. Until next time, sweet dreams, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.